So what I'm going to talk about today is a little bit about carpet protector. You see how dirty these carpets are. But if I remember correctly, this was protected. This is a nylon carpet. We've been protecting this property. It's a commercial property, apartment complex. But we clean and protect these carpets. We have been for a few years now. Most likely this one did get protected, unless it was brand new, and I didn't have time to get over before they moved in. But you can see, look at the filth. This thing's destroyed. But we're going to show you how carpet protector can help save the carpet at your house. If you have nylon, if you have polyester, carpet protector will not stick to that. So if you've had a carpet cleaner clean your carpet and put protector on it, and it's a polyester fiber, you did. He took your money, because the protector will not stick to polyester fibers. So it'll just come off as soon as you start walking or you vacuum. It's done with. So, all right. We'll go ahead and get this cleaned up, and I'll show you that. So I thought I would show you a little video. I wasn't going to do too much video, but see the difference where I cut it in there? This is why carpet protector, this is what it helps do. It helps release the soil that's in your carpet. What it does is it protects it in between the cleanings from getting damaged and scratched, because if you get if your carpet becomes really worn out and scratched, it's what's called apparent soiling. So even after you have your carpets clean, if you've never protected it, it's a little old, and you have these walk paths throughout your house that don't disappear, generally that's what's called apparent soiling, and it's micro scratches that have happened from just walking on the carpet, and you got the fine dust and dirt that's down below, and as you walk across it, it's basically like sandpaper. So it's scratching the fiber of your carpet and making it dull. So you get that gray walk path. But remember when I showed you earlier? All this was just all black, dirty, filthy like that. And now there is not a hint or sign of it at all. It is completely gone, and that's because of the carpet protector. So when you have light carpets, or any carpet, if you just want it to last longer and get your money's worth, protect the carpet, and we at QMS can do that for you. I have this stuff on the truck all the time, and so if you need it, we can clean and protect your carpet for you.